Hi, I'm doing a video for the people that have bought the tool to show you how to do it the easy way to do the installation of the face frame onto the cabinet box. This is a 1/2 inch plywood box, piece of walnut face frame, and I'm going to have a 1/4 inch overhang on this side, flush to the inside. So you take your 1/4 inch spacer, put it on the tool, set it into position. Now this is how I do it. I'm doing the left-hand side first. You could do left, right, it doesn't matter either way. So what I do is I take this, put it here, and as you can see, it's lined up the face frame tight at a 1/4 inch, and I make sure that the inside is flush. Okay, then I do it again, and you can see that it flexes the plate. So it's pushing down, you cannot move this. It's sealed in position. Then I shoot it. Okay, same thing here. Again, shoot it. Same thing. Okay, so that's what you use for your 1/4 inch disc. Now I'm going to turn this so you can see it. You're going to turn the tool so that the stapler is on the bottom. This is a flush disc. You're going to hit this. It's lined up absolutely flush on the inside. You shoot this again. So now you have your 2 indexing areas are all set. Take your disc off. You can turn it around, shoot from inside or outside. You can put as many or as little amount of staples you want. Take this right here, flex it again, keep this. This, you're done. This will not come off. You cannot get it off. Doing this on the left-hand side, you can start on the right-hand side, but I do suggest that you shoot from the bottom flush first and whatever side you're going to do. This is your indexing point. Okay? That's the way to do it. If you have any questions at all, you can call me, as you know. Have a good one. Good luck with the tool. Bye-bye.